me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. Stop the madness, green everywhere, green everywhere, green everywhere. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 700 points. Russell up 35. Spiders up 70. Complete flip-flop from last week. Down 750, down 450. Fear over tariffs, over trade war, over everything going up against China. Market selling off, triple trifecta. Interest rate raise, Fed transparency, tariffs, trade war, tech reversal, and boom! If you don't like the weather, just wait a minute. We come back in, Mnuchin talking yesterday on TV, talking about the fact that we could negotiate our way out of this situation with China. China said they're going to buy some more chips with us. We agree that we're going to basically maybe not go up against them the way we're going up. Wrong. All the stuff I said as El Presidente on Friday, I take it back. Never mind, ladies and gentlemen. Market up 700 points. Transport's up 2. Volume 10 to 1 on the upside. You could not stop this market with a brick wall. Don't know who's going to build that wall, who's going to pay for that wall, but you couldn't stop it. Rally, the largest rally on Wall Street, probably the third largest ever, largest since 2015. Reversal in tech sector. They were buying the financials, they were buying the techs. So everything that they were selling over, huge institutional selling on Thursday and Friday, came to an abrupt halt, and they turned the styles on that baby. Stop the madness, jump on board this train. If you don't like the weather, wait a minute. That's the feeling coming out of this administration. We toss things on the table like tariffs, like trade war, like tax reform, like the budget. And then we pull it on back. The big negotiator, Mr. Trump, crazy as a bat, wild card on every front. But there's obviously, we caught a bid in this market. We were down big. Facebook got eviscerated once again today. That's a trust uncertainty issue. But the market per se, fundamentals hold steady. Yes, we do have 3 interest rate raises in 18 and 3 in 19. That spooked the market a little bit, selling the financials off last week. But that came to an abrupt stop also. We caught a bid in this market. They came for everything with abandon. We opened up 350, almost 4. We never broke. The rest of the afternoon, we ascended into the stratosphere, led by the Microsoft, by the tech, by the JP Morgans, by the financials. That's a big deal. That means there's money being put to work. That means that the reverse sentiment over what sold this market off, that huge institutional selling off of all those negative potential things, got reversed. The decision was to buy this market. They bought it with abandon, up 700 points. 24,000, holding steady. S&P up 70. We nearly broke the 200-day last week. We definitely broke through some of the support groups at all different levels. But the news changed on a dime. We threw a huge bat out into the ocean. It was negative, it looked bad, and it was a problem. And we took them on back this weekend. Each country can negotiate their own tariffs. Each country can negotiate their own deal. The world is not coming to an end. The world's back on fire. Dow's back on fire. NYSE's back on fire. Stick with me inside Verstop. Einstein out.